this big world of stock investing and the stock market and all that, few things and few stock types carry the weight and prestige, you know what I mean, as much as blue chip stocks do. These long-standing stocks of the financial markets have stood the test of time, dealing with economic storms and consistently delivering value to investors. But what exactly are blue chip stocks, and why do they attract so many new investors? Let's take a look at, this whole world of blue chips and let's break down their secrets, you know what I mean? But before we do all that,
allow me to reintroduce myself.
My name is Devon. Put in work, Burke, a business consultant, online marketer, family man, fitness enthusiast. Gotta get right, you know what I mean? Also, the creator of the Wealthbuilderz System.com. The absolute and only way to make more money, save more money, while start your dream business while building a better you. So with that being said, click the link in the description if you want to learn how you can make money in your sleep and build passive income, okay? Also, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Get to understanding what blue chip stocks are, right? Because I know you've heard these terms before. And you're like, what is a blue chip stock? Well, a blue chip stock refers to the shares of large, well-established companies with a history of stable earnings, strong financials, and a track record of consistent dividend payments. These companies are typically leaders in their respective industries. Like, they pretty much are recognizable brand names and dominate market positions. Think of companies like Apple, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon. Basically, household names that have become synonymous with reliability and longevity, right? Now, so let's break down these characteristics of what a blue chip stock is. That's so you know when you see them. I mean, you can really look at almost any company that's been around for the last 20 to 30 years. All right, so basically stability, right? A blue chip stock is known for their stability, often showing less validity than smaller, riskier stocks, right? They don't go up and down, down and up, all that good stuff. They kind of have a consistent trajectory, like they go up and they kind of stay there. They might jump up a little bit, but they level out all the time, right? They don't really do too much jumping down, right? And this stability is based on the financial health of these companies, which allows them to weather economic downturns more efficiently. Now, number two, another characteristic of a blue chip is dividend payments. Many blue chip stocks are known for how much they pay in dividend stocks. These companies generate consistent cash flows and often reward shareholders by distributing a portion of their profits in the form of what? Dividends. For income-seeking investors, people that want to make money off the investments, don't just want to have investments as assets, but just they want to make some money. Blue chip stocks can serve as reliable sources of passive income. All right, it's one of the most reliable sources of passive income. Honestly, I built a big portfolio, and basically the passive income has saved a brother a lot of times. Number three, growth potential. Now, while blue chip stocks may not offer the same explosive growth opportunities as smaller, high growth companies, they still have the potential for steady long-term appreciation. Their market leadership and strong fundamentals position them well to capitalize on emerging trends and adapt to changing market conditions. Basically, big fish eat little fish, right? Something big in the market pops off, say like, for instance, Coca-Cola. When a new drink comes out and it starts becoming popular and it's not from Coca-Cola themselves, they'll end up buying that company, and boom, now they're part of the Coca-Cola brand. Number 4, brand recognition. Blue chip companies often enjoy widespread brand recognition, right? Which can translate into, customer loyalty. And now that translating into pricing power. This brand equity serves as a formidable barrier to entry for competitors and reinforces the company's market dominance. Basically, the bigger the company, the harder to infiltrate that scene, right? Just like I just said, Coca-Cola, think Pepsi. Pepsi is the main competitor to Coca-Cola, and they kind of go neck and neck. Think of Amazon, right? There's nobody messing with Amazon in the e-commerce level, right? Yeah, you can't even name a company that's comparable to Amazon like that. Now, other than that, we have safety and reliability. For conservative investors seeking stability and capital preservation, blue chip stocks are an attractive option. Their established track record and solid fundamental provide a sense of security, making them suitable for risk-adverse investors or those nearing retirement. So basically, if you feel like you're going to be in your later 40s and 50s, you're going to want to invest in blue chip stocks. That's so you can have a steady potential passive income. Next up, we have the income generation, right? Like we said before, with their consistent dividend payments, blue chip stocks are favored by income investors looking to supplement their cash flow or build a reliable stream of passive income. These dividends can provide a cushion during market downturns and contribute to long-term wealth and accumulation. So this is how the wealth get wealthier, by putting their money in dividend stocks, so they can grow their income without relying on 5% and that's I'm being generous, 5% from a savings account, or or investing in other riskier things like real estate and things of that nature. And it gives you an opportunity to do portfolio diversification. See, including blue chip stocks in a well-rounded investment portfolio can help mitigate risk and enhance diversification. Their low volatility and defensive qualities can offset the higher risk associated with other asset classes, like I said. So it provides a sense of stability and influence during turbulent market conditions. Now, with anything, there are risks to consider. Okay, you have to think about the risks. So while blue chip stocks are generally considered safer investments, they are not immune to risks. Economic downturns, industry disruptions, and corporate mismanagement can all impact the performance of even the most established companies. And the market's perception of a company as a blue chip can lead to inflated stock prices, potentially messing up future returns, right? So, with all that being said, blue chips, represent like the bedrock of many, investors' portfolios, offering a blend of stability, income, and growth potential, while they may not offer the same excitement as their high-flying counterparts. The ups and down stocks, the Nvidias, even, let's think about it. It's a bunch of different stocks out there that's going to shoot up and come back down, You want to find those stocks that kind of stay at an even pace. You don't want the jumps, all that good stuff, right? Because that's how you lose money. That's how you lose out on your investments. So Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, blue chip stocks deserve consideration as a cornerstone of your investment strategy. All right, so take a look at blue chip stocks. If you want to invest in the stock market, check out the links in below. All right, I got Webull. I'm down with Webull. Love Webull. Go ahead and click that. To, get invested in the stock market as much as you can. All right, again, remember, I'm just a guy on YouTube. I am not a financial advisor or am I a stock pro or anything of that nature. I just tell you what I tell you because I like to tell you things about making money, because that's what I am. I am a wealth builder. But no, I am not a financial advisor. So whatever you do is at your own risk. Do remember that. Also, check out all links in the description if you want to learn how to make money online and passively, other than just dividend stocks and things of that nature. Check out the Wealthbuilderzsystem.com. The link is in the description. The blog link is in the description. Everything's in the description. Check it out. Until next time, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing off for blue chip stocks, the ultimate passive income. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.